If you own a car in Maryland, you are required to have insurance. Some types of coverages are required, while others are optional, but all registered vehicle owners in Maryland must have liability insurance. Here are a few of the most common questions we get at the Maryland Insurance Administration regarding auto insurance.
What is the difference between comprehensive and collision coverage?
Both collision and comprehensive coverage are optional coverages you pay for to protect your own vehicle. If you have a loan or are leasing your vehicle, both of these coverages may be required by the bank or the lender that financed the vehicle purchase. Collision coverage provides coverage for damages that result from either a single vehicle collision, such as backing into a pole or hitting someone's mailbox, or a multi-vehicle collision, where your vehicle and either one or more vehicles collide. Comprehensive coverage is for claims caused by certain perils other than collision. Examples of comprehensive coverage claims include damages caused by hitting an animal, a falling tree branch, weather events such as flooding or fire, or theft and vandalism of your vehicle.
If my car breaks down, will my auto insurance policy cover a rental car?
Even if your policy includes rental car coverage only pays for a rental if you have a claim for damage that is covered under your collision or comprehensive coverages. If you need a rental due to mechanical failure that is not the result of a covered claim under your collision or comprehensive coverages, your insurer will not pay for a rental car.
If my garage burns down, will my homeowners insurance cover damages to my car?
Homeowners policies generally don't cover cars that are damaged in a fire. Your comprehensive automobile coverage may cover the damages if you have it.
Does my auto insurance cover a hit-and-run accident?
Maryland generally requires all policies to have uninsured motorist coverage, which covers you in the event the person responsible for the damage to your car either doesn't have insurance or hits your vehicle and flees the scene. This type of coverage is called uninsured motorist's property damage, or UMPD. However, the amount of your coverage may not be sufficient to pay for your loss. Check with your insurer or insurance producer to see how much UMPD coverage you have.
Does my car insurance cover me when I rent a car?
That depends upon the terms of your insurance policy. Generally, if you have comprehensive and collision coverage, these coverages will transfer to your rental vehicle in certain situations, such as when your car is in the shop for repairs following a covered claim. Talk to your insurer or insurance producer about specifics because your policy will have limits on coverage depending upon the reason you're renting the car.
What's the difference between bodily injury liability coverage and PIP?
If you are at fault for a car accident, your bodily injury liability coverage will generally pay the other party for damages related to injuries incurred as a result of the accident. It is important to remember, though, that your coverage will only pay for the damages up to the policy limits, even if the other party's expenses exceed the policy limits. You may still be liable to the other party for the expenses in excess of the policy limits. PIP is what's called a first-party coverage, which means it covers you. PIP also covers eligible members of your household and eligible passengers in your car. PIP may also provide benefits to a pedestrian struck by your vehicle. If you're injured due to an accident, PIP will cover you subject to the policy's limits, which is usually $2,500.
Can I cancel my auto insurance policy at any time?
Since Maryland law requires you to have insurance on your vehicle, you should only cancel your insurance after you turn your tags into the MVA or if you have already placed your insurance with another insurer. The MVA will issue a fine if you cancel your insurance before you replace coverage or turn in the tags. Talk to your insurer or insurance producer if you have any questions about the types of coverage your policy provides or the terms of coverage. For more information regarding insurance, visit us online at insurance.maryland.gov or like us on Facebook for insurance tips at facebook.com/mdinsuranceadmin. You can also reach out to us at 1-800-492-6116.